Field Controls FAPV, or Fresh Air Power Ventilator, is designed to provide verifiable mechanical ventilation that meets ASHRAE 62.2 residential ventilation standard. The FAPV can be configured to run continuously or intermittent to efficiently manage humidity and fan operation. Managed fresh outdoor air enters through a screened intake air hood that's ducted into the Fresh Air Power Ventilator. The fresh air is distributed by the FAPV into the HVAC ducted return air system, or into a designed mechanical ventilation closet. The Field Controls Fresh Air Power Ventilator can be operated continuously or intermittently with enthalpy when controlled by the Field Controls Fresh Air Ventilation Control, or FAVC. Or it can be operated by a programmable ventilation control thermostat. The FAPV Fresh Air Power Ventilator has electronic speed control, which allows the installer to dial in the specific fresh air ventilation volume to meet intermittent or continuous standard requirements, such as ASHRAE 62.2, ASHRAE 62.1, the International Residential Code, the International Mechanical Code, California Energy Commission Title 24, and others. When set up with a Field Controls FAVC Fresh Air Ventilation Control, it can reduce ventilation during adverse outdoor conditions to meet minimum equipment return air temperatures. The FAPV is provided with a washable UL 900 rated MERV 6 intake air filter. The designed gasketed second filter slot accepts a standard UL 900 rated 10 by 10 by 2 inch filter. Finally, the FAPV is equipped with a backdraft damper that minimizes unwanted ventilation during the off cycle. To learn more about ventilation and indoor air quality, visit Field Controls.